The topic for my project is SABC News Categorization. News generate a large volume of content daily. Users face information overloads, making it difficult to find relevant stories, which limits user engagement, which is why we need to categorize the news into personalization, or it can also be marketing, recommendation, and also academic and industry impact. In this slide, I present the data source and the structure. We have SABC News, which is unlabeled data, and we also have BBC News, which is labeled data, which contains 5 categories, and we also have AGNews, which is a labeled data, which contains 4 categories. We create a common label scheme that contains all categories from BBC News and AGNews. And then we'll train our model on BBC News and AGNews, and then apply it on the SABC News, which is an unlabeled data. In these slides, I present the data processing and feature engineering. We perform text normalization to ensure that our text is in uniform format. Thereafter, we split our text into individual tokens, which is called tokenization. And then we performed stemming and lemmatization. These steps were performed using the NLTK and Jensen from Python packages. Our training feature were created using TF-IDF through scikit-learn. Vector embedding will be explored in the future. In this slide, I present the results from logistic classification and SVM classification on the BBC News, and then also applying it on the SABC News data. We can see that both our model, the logistic and SVM, have accuracy of over 95. And we found out that when we apply it on SABC News, it performs better on business, followed by politics. In these slides, we present the results when we train logistic on AGNews. We got an accuracy of over 90%, and when we apply it on the SABC News, we can see that the world is the one which is predicted the most, followed by business and science and technology. In these slides, I present where we found that our model predicts the same thing in the AGNews and also in the BBC News. So we can see that our model were able to predict the same results for business in BBC News and also in AGNews. Thank you.